long day. So we were shooting near the Church Street. There, my team wanted me to taste coffee. I'm not a coffee person, but they had this task going on in their mind from a really long time that this person will have to taste coffee anyways. So I don't even taste coffee while my mom is preparing it in the morning for my dad. I'm that much of a person who don't depend on the caffeine for me to be active throughout the day. But here what happened, they had this plan prepared. We had to come for Church Street in Bangalore to shoot something different. But there, they came up with this plan, okay, we are going to send this lady to get a coffee and drink. That too in Starbucks. So actually, to be very honest, I haven't been to Starbucks. Because I'm not a coffee person, first of all. I'm not this person who will sit and work in front of the system. Me being an anchor, I'll keep doing the field work. But this happened. They found this opportunity to send me to the Starbucks. I got a normal plain coffee. I think that was called cappuccino, which was hot. And the team wanted some treat, so some of them got this dark chocolate frappuccino. I think I've learned the names as well. If you guys are some coffee lovers, then you will know what is the acquired taste of coffee without sugar. But somebody like me will want to taste something different, right? That wasn't good for me because Starbucks, for its price like around 350 to 400, more than that, the coffees are very expensive. It is worth only when you go sit there for a really long time with your friends or family or your colleagues, sit and work and hang out. That's a place like that. We got the coffee outside and we had to travel with Starbucks coffee in my hand. Is that even fair enough? But the team wanted me to drink some coffee. Kar diya. That thing was done. Later, after some shots from Church Street, we came to Jayanagar. We finished the shot there. Unfortunately, it started to rain. We had to land in some place. We went to this Blue Tokai. The team had another plan. Okay, now you will taste the coffee here. Bro, seriously, you're just making this person hate coffee in one single day. We went to Blue Tokai and ordered some cappuccino again. There was no sugar. And I don't know, I couldn't smell the essence of that while my mom is preparing some normal coffee every morning. I couldn't smell that anywhere in these two places, but the prices were like that. It's because of their time, quality, comfort, and the space that they give for you to sit and work and do whatever you want for a really long time. That is for sure. But I came outside after drinking that Blue Tokai coffee. I saw this cozy little place in, just right opposite to Blue Tokai, that is in Jayanagar, called Cafe LNV. Bro, that is like, this place is very cozy and some place for my kind of people, I guess. It's very, in the late evening, you come with your friends or loved ones or family, you sit and spend some time with some hot snacks like this hot coffee here. And entering into the shop, I got this beautiful essence of coffee to be felt. That was just similar like how my mom prepares. Even though if I don't taste it every morning or drink coffee, I was able to just feel the essence of coffee because I'm experimenting on coffee from since morning. And later, got this cup of coffee for 30 rupees, which is finally giving me the taste of coffee. It's really good. It's really good. It has some bit of sugar in it. It's amazing. I think I don't like the latte or some thick coffee, I guess. And something of native style is somewhat what I will prefer, I guess. So if you guys are coming to Jayanagar, if you're looking for some cozy place to just sit and relax, have some hot coffee during the rainy season and spend some quality time, you can visit this Cafe LNV. It's not just about coffee here, they have some other snacks as well like Maggi, pasta and few more dishes like served hot. Just come and visit. Also, do let me know if you are a coffee person or if you're a person who will visit Starbucks and places like Blue Tokai and other small coffee stalls, which one would you prefer? Small coffee stalls like Cafe LNV or Starbucks or Blue Tokai or whatever. Which coffee is really good? Is that overpriced? Is that overrated? I wanted to know that. I just wanted to know that answer for one question. Let them charge for their electricity bill, the space that they give, the Wi-Fi that they provide or whatever. 350 to 400 for a coffee, is it too much or is it worth it? Do let me know in the comment section below, and until then, I'm going to taste my third cup of coffee for the day. Bye-bye.